To find the area of this figure, first break it up into two different shapes. By drawing a line here, we now have a rectangle and a triangle. To find the area of the rectangle, we can take our length, 1, 2, 3, 4, and multiply it by the width, 1, 2, and that's going to give us 8 squared units. Now we need to find the area of this triangle. To find the area of the triangle, we first multiply our base, which is 1, 2, 3, times the height. Now the height, remember, goes from the tallest point of the triangle perpendicular to the base. And when it's perpendicular to the base, it creates a right angle. So this height is 1, so 3 times 1, which is equal to 3. But remember that we now need to divide the 3 by 2 since it is a triangle, and that gives us 1 5/10 units squared. To find the area of this entire figure, we need to add our 8 squared units and 1 1/2 squared units to get a total of 9 1/2 squared units.